If you give a child a pencil, what do you have? A lifelong learner. Someone who will not only make a difference in their community, but in the lives of others. The Gift of Writing Foundation really started, I would say, a year after the devastating earthquake that happened in Haiti.
Primarily, we fundraise here in the United States in order to support our schools, our children.
As an organization, we made a decision to help sponsor 300 elementary school children education.
Some of these initiatives include monthly meal plan for 300 students, capital improvement projects, which focuses on building school facilities, annual volunteer trip to work with students and staff within these schools, providing educational school supplies in Nigeria, host staff development workshops in Haiti and throughout our community.
When I first found out about it, I like the involvement of young people, and I like that it's reaching young people.
Just seeing the idea come into action in the country that we're raising money for and helping to provide resources for was something that really gives you the best insight possible as to what the foundation truly does.
So the Gift of Writing Foundation goal is to empower others to do one thing: promote the change that they want.
Going there, it was definitely an eye-opener to see the real side of Haiti. Not just the poverty side, but also the beauty to it.
It's something from the heart. I think it's beautiful to just give back to the community that helped me get to the place where I'm at and still supporting me to get further.
Also, different people in the community to help not only sponsor children's education in Haiti, but to help improve the conditions of people within our own community.
At a time where I was going through a really hard time myself as a staff person, they gifted me at a time when I really didn't know how I was going to make things happen for my son.
When my family needed help, that was the very first organization that didn't send a check. They brought it to my house personally.
With the help of many, many, many donors and support from the Unionville community within itself, we were able to not only ship school supplies to Haiti, but last year we did the same in Nigeria.
To me, there is nothing greater than giving back. I always feel fortunate enough to be able to be here, to have received an education, and now I'm in a position where I can help.
My goal here within my community is to help with sponsorship of children's education.
We have also given scholarships for the past 3 to 4 years to high school seniors. We are here as a sense of support, not only to the children in Haiti, but to our community.
So we're not just giving money to these schools every year, right? We're actually going there and building a relationship with the school, with the students, and seeing the growth and development within these youngsters.
When you're reaching people and we're reaching each other, that's most important. We have to lift each other up. We have to lift our communities up. And you all are building that, and that's important.
Hi, my name is Kemi from Lagos, Nigeria. On behalf of First Baptist Primary School, Ilora, in Oyo State, we'd like to express our immense gratitude to the Gift of Writing Foundation for their continuous generous donation.
Merci beaucoup, merci beaucoup, merci beaucoup, merci beaucoup, merci beaucoup.
First and foremost, I would like to thank all of you for being here today.
This has been an incredible journey. Thank you all for your unconditional support, and I hope you continue to provide the love that the Gift of Writing Foundation needs in order to continue to flourish.
Of Writing Foundation. Hello.